Welcome to the BrainCal Tech Talent Talk. Today I am going to explain Selenium WebDriver for test automation. Selenium plays a pivotal role in test automation, especially when used with high-level programming languages like Python, Java, and C#. Here is how it empowers automation in a sophisticated, scalable way. Selenium supports multiple high-level languages like Java, Python, C#, JavaScript, and Ruby. Selenium WebDriver interacts directly with browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, enabling cross-browser compatibility testing, platform independence, Windows, Mac, Linux. This ensures consistent user experiences across environments. Selenium integrates seamlessly with TestNG, JUnit for Java, PyTest for Python, NUnit MSTest for C#. These frameworks provide features like assertion, test grouping, and reporting, which are essential for robust automation. In a nutshell, these are the benefits of Selenium test automation: cost effectiveness, language flexibility, improved accuracy, cross-browser compatibility, enhanced test coverage, time efficiency. For further questions or doubts, please contact BrainCal Tech team on this email address. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.